Did you know that the air quality challenges vary dramatically across different environments? From bustling airports to cozy homes, each space demands unique filtration solutions. Green Ladder Technologies excels in identifying and addressing these diverse needs. Imagine walking into a gym or a nail salon. Each location has its distinct odors and its distinct air quality challenges. Green Ladder Technologies customizes solutions for these spaces, ensuring clean air in airports, classrooms, and even print shops. Specialized filtration is crucial for maintaining a healthy environment. Homes, hotels, and retail stores each face unique air filtration challenges. Whether it's cooking odors or chemical fumes, Green Ladder Technologies provides tailored solutions. Discover how we address these issues, ensuring a cleaner atmosphere for every space. By choosing Green Ladder Technologies, you ensure a healthier and cleaner atmosphere. Our tailored solutions meet the specific needs of diverse environments. Contact us today for a consultation and take the first step towards improving your air quality.